Hi guys! In this video, I will introduce you to useful shortcuts key from Ctrl A to Z in Excel. Ctrl A, used to quickly select all associated cells in a worksheet. Ctrl B, used to make selected text bold or unbold. Ctrl C, used to copy selected cells or text. Ctrl D, used to fill a cell with the contents of the cell above it. This gives you a quick way to duplicate data down a column. Ctrl E, act as shortcut key for flash fill. Flash fill detects a pattern in your initial data entry and automatically fill in values based on the pattern it recognizes. Ctrl F, used to open the Find and Replace dialog box. This is another powerful feature that can help you quickly search for and replace specific data. Ctrl G, used to activate the Go to dialog box. This can be a helpful tool when you need to jump to a specific cell or range of cells in your worksheet. Ctrl H, used to open the Find and Replace dialog box, but with the Replace tab selected. This is a quick way to replace specific data in your worksheet. Ctrl I, used to make selected text italic. This is another common formatting option that can help you make your data more visually appealing. Ctrl K, used to create a hyperlink. This is a great way to link to other worksheets, files, or websites from your Excel worksheet. Ctrl L, used to create a list. This can be a helpful way to organize and structure your data. Ctrl N, used to create a new workbook. This can be helpful when you need to work on multiple Excel files at the same time. Ctrl O, used to open an existing workbook. This is a quick way to access your files and start working. Ctrl P, used to open the Print dialog box. This can be a helpful way to print your data or save it as a PDF. Ctrl R, used to fill a cell with the contents of the cell to the left of it. This can be a quick way to duplicate data across a row. Ctrl S, used to save your workbook. This is a crucial shortcut that can help you avoid losing your data if something goes wrong. Ctrl T, used to create a table. This can be a helpful way to organize and analyze your data. Ctrl U, used to underline selected text. This is another common formatting option that can help you make your data more visually appealing. Ctrl V, used to paste copied cells or text. This can be especially useful when you need to replicate data across multiple cells or worksheets. Ctrl W, used to close your workbook. This is a quick way to exit Excel. Ctrl X, used to cut cells or text. This is usually used together with Ctrl V for cut and paste. Ctrl Y, used to redo something you have undone. It's usually used after using undo. Ctrl Z, used to undo an action. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.